Hi and welcome. I really appreciate you all stopping by the channel. Those of you who actually took the time to subscribe. So we're here and there today. Amazing infrared captures, both recent and, can we say, past if it was a couple months ago. This, again, recent, a couple weeks ago, a couple days ago, a couple hours. There's always something I'm capturing on the moon. Who says these people or beings are not protecting the solar system? Or maybe they're here because the sun is active. Any intelligent being that has the power to travel through space would travel to that area if there was a problem. Maybe they're going to help us prevent what is coming, what's going to happen here. Hopefully they're here to help. I do believe there are protectors of the entire solar system and the universe. Stories, myths, whatever you want to call it. Things that nobody knows about. This is today's sun. Let's take a look at the amazing sunspots. And of course, I don't have to tell you, the sun tells us the weather. So in the next 24 hours, 48 hours, we will definitely see once again, in the southern hemisphere, which is always worse here on Earth, weather phenomena. So we'll see floods. You're expecting a warm day, you might get a cold day. That's how it's going to start off. Climate change, whether it be because of it or not, who knows. Plasma on the bottom side of the sun. Also on the right, look at that long line of plasma lifting up off. And the fields are crossing over each other, which means we're going to see some coronal mass ejections, and that's just my guess. There are the lines forming the magnetic fields, and we can see they are pretty intense. So how is the sun affecting all the planets and objects that are inside of the solar system? It's going to get pretty bad because one thing leads to another, right? One pulls one thing and then one pushes another. So these are blast waves. After a large explosion here on Earth, when things smash together, we have blast waves. Scientists that study those blast waves have a lot of reporting on it, so I'm looking that up, trying to get a bit more information on what these lunar waves or lunar ripples can actually be. Here's a double lunar wave. So if something collides deep inside of the solar system, could it affect space and time like this by actually pushing the fabric of space and time away? Here's 4:30 a.m.
Right there. If I get in time, pretty sure I will. There it is. It was flashing before too. They're starting again, eh? In all different directions, too. And they stop for me and flash. How slow it is. Observing, eh?
Here's at 5 a.m. when I was driving medical buses, looking outside in the sky, going right by over my house. I was just getting ready for work. Now, check this out. In the evening, over my house, several different characteristics the lights have. After this capture, you're going to see some that are right over my house, 3 or 4 of them interacting, going really slow by one another, like they're observing themselves. These are not following each other, by the way, front to back. They're actually side by side, and one of them's passing. If you have a reason to call them, and your reason's good enough, you're going to see them. You're going to see them accumulate in the sky. Don't call them for nothing. I believe that humans and aliens are in the process, first stage of interacting on a broader scale, meaning not only the highly placed aliens of the Federation, the Galactic Federation, and highly placed humans in military and in ruling Earth. I think more and more, maybe us regular people will get a chance to meet them one day. Some of us already have. This is materializing itself in the sky. The UFO comes to a point and disappears. As it disappears, a streak of light, just like in the Back to the Future movie. No difference. It's exactly what I was able to witness. Was it a mistake? Was it deliberately done? I asked them to show me many things in the sky, and I got to thank God for all the amazing things that they've actually showed me. Now it gets even more serious than that. Let's remain with the infrared UFO sightings. Let's go see something incredible. This is one of my favorites. And I mean one of them, because now I have so many bloody favorites. That's a stationary UFO in the sky. And I'm going to show you it leaving. And you're going to understand that it's not just flying left or right or dimming out. It's actually remaining bright but leaving further out. There it goes. Keep watching it, and it's going to split in two. Keep watching the spot. There it is. If you have good eyes or not, I mean, it's pretty obvious. I saw it. There it is. It's going to flash and become two, or you're going to see two spots, or whatever's going on is what we are seeing. This was a stationary UFO over top of my house. Once again, by the trees, looking through the trees, I could see this object, and maybe when it noticed that I noticed it completely disappeared. Even crazier, look what the object was doing. I'm going to show you many different scenes of the same UFO where there are actually smaller craft or different light phenomena, unidentified aerial phenomena, flying to and from the craft, or UFO, of course, or unidentified aerial phenomena. We're looking at lights in the sky, like the 3 branches of military said it. Here it is again, the same UFO. I'm further out now, so we can see wider in the sky, and look what we can see. So, we gotta find out where these lights are coming from. I'm on the moon right now. Yep, but not literally, but in the video. And we see the lights leaving the surface. They're all over the place. All over the place. So these could be the same lights that we're filming in the sky, could they not be? We're looking for where they could come from. Oh, they're from the Zeta Reticuli star system. Nah, they're probably just from the moon. Let's finish off with Mare Fecunditatis. More videos coming right up. Thank you very much for each and every one of you for having taken the time to subscribe to this channel. The channel is being attacked, so the more views you give the channel, the more I get a chance of getting out to others. And it's all thanks to you all that I'm here. Thanks to everyone, the members, and everything you all do to support this channel. So this is Mare Fecunditatis. Look at all the connections, no explanations needed. Straight up moon structures and connections. I believe these could be possibly industries, and that they're doing something alien or human. Thanks for watching, everyone.
Aliens on the moon, they must be mining. They're up there sitting down in that pontoon. They brought everybody up in their belly party. But they coming here so soon. Yeah, aliens are up there on the moon. They may be even coming right here soon. Aliens are mining on the moon, yes they are up there. Doesn't matter cause disclosure's coming soon. Disclosure's coming